What's up, guys? So today, this video is called DIY How to Make Your Own Volcano. We also have some visitors here, Grandma and Grandpa. Yeah.
And
Hey!
We have some paint here for one.
Uncle Robert and
So the first step
Right.
is
This is a
Here's
paste that we're going to make out of
Yeah.
something in here.
Yeah.
Not sure
And
what
that
it is.
comes into mold.
it's
You're
volcano
right.
plaster. So we
And it
have
turns
volcano
into
plaster.
volcano. That's the walls.
And we're pouring it into a bowl, basically. Yeah.
Okay, now the wind's blowing. So, we're going to put this carefully back in here. Alright, you want to do the snapping thing? Alright.
So now we have to pour about 5.5 ounces of water into the volcano plaster.
Yeah, that's the rules.
And it looks like pancake batter. Yeah, we're making pancakes instead of volcanoes, guys.
Yeah,
That's
we're
good.
making
I'm kidding.
volcano pancakes.
Yep. I'm kidding.
I'm kidding.
It does look like pancake mixture, though. Or batter.
Some of it falls out.
Gonna
Look
stir
at
that up.
Look at that.
Make sure you get it until all of it has the water in it. So make sure there's no like chunks.
You gonna grab a little bit more water? Here, pour some of that water in
Wait,
there.
how much water?
Here,
First?
put that down, and then let's put some of that water in there. Put that down, Matthew. Put that down on the table.
So we're
Pouring the plaster mold and plaster into the mold, right?
yeah.
So where's the mold? You want to point out where the mold is?
It's the mold, guys.
Where's that?
I found the mold. I found the mold, Dad. Dad, I found the mold.
Okay.
That's not mold.
Okay. So now we're gonna put this on. Where's the base? Now we're gonna go into that in order to make.
A volcano.
Yeah. Joseph, can you move a little bit to your left? Okay, good. All right, there you go.
There we go.
Whoa.
Well, that's cool, Dad. Dad, we gotta wait until it dries. Yeah, we gotta wait.
And then, how long does it take to dry?
I think it said we'll have to read. I think it said 45 minutes.
And so I guess we wait like 45 minutes for it to dry. Holding from
Yeah,
here.
we did.
It's pretty good. It's really hot.
It is hot.
We're trying to cut off the edges to make it nice and pretty.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I think we could.
I need water.
I think we could paint it, but I'm just saying. If we let it sit out for like maybe another hour, we could probably paint it. I don't think it was a week.
So it's been an hour. Volcano, it turned wider, obviously. Well, not obviously. Maybe you guys can't see that, but I can. It's hot. Pretty hot. It's been on 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And yeah, we're about to paint it, and then we're gonna make it erupt. We're painting the volcano right now. We got red, orange, yellow, and more red, and more orange, and more yellow.
Yeah, I'm painting the
I'm
volcano.
gonna start with red because that's my favorite color.
Orange is my favorite color
painting
because
the
I like
back.
orange.
If you want me to turn it.
Comment down below. If you like the volcano to erupt, comment down below.
Well, we're all gonna make it erupt, so.
Yeah, comment down below.
No, don't comment down below. Don't listen to the dude. Paint in the back. I can't see very well, but I want you guys to see. Oh god, I got orange paint on my hand. Here's what we got for the paint. Joseph accidentally painted the inside. I don't know if you can see that, but that's all right. I think we can still perform it right. So yeah, it's drying right now. I guess we get like 20 minutes for it to dry, which was gonna be after dinner because you can see the sun is setting. So yeah, I'll see you. So it's been 20 minutes. We're already putting. Is it eruption powder?
Mm-hmm.
The eruption powder in. I'm gonna make sure that fully gets in there. Pretty good.
Spanish guitar.
We're gonna make it erupt, guys. We're gonna make it erupt.
We're gonna make it erupt. Okay.
Ready or not.
I'm gonna move the camera. Sorry, you can't see it that well. There's the sun or whatever.
You ready?
Yeah. Well, it's erupting.
It did work.
Oh gosh!
Whoa!
Oh my gosh! It's working.
That's totally cool. Look at that erupt.
Wow!
Whoa! That was so cool. Wasn't that cool?
Yeah.
Well,
Let's go.
we created a volcano out of plaster and a mold, and we painted it, and then we put sodium bicarbonate in there and added what?
Yeah, but is it
What
hot?
did we add to it?
Is the
Water and
Yeah,
citric
water.
It's
acid.
got acid. You don't want to be touching it right
Yeah, don't touch it. It might hurt your skin. That was cool.
That was cool.
is it erupting
Oh
anymore?
my gosh. Well, thanks for watching the video, guys. Yeah, see you soon. Bye.
See?
Oh, yeah.